Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and we have some weird thing going on over at Walgreens where yesterday I went in the store and I was just going to do one of my deals, and then one of my detergents rang up for a very weird price with a digital coupon and a store promotion. You can get them as cheap as 79 cents for a Tide Original 25 loads. So we're going to go through this step by step, and if you can just line this up exactly how I'm going to describe, you too can do a really great deal for some very cheap Tide. So there are two different jugs, and if you look at them side by side, they do look identical, but there is some subtle differences. The one that's not part of this is the one that says HE, and there's a little snowflake on it, and it says 100. So the one with the check on the left-hand side, obviously that's the one you want to grab, and the one with the big X, that's the one that you do not want to grab. And again, with clearance and whatever, it's always a year, mileage may vary, but this is the one that was ringing up for $2.29 for me. I haven't heard anyone talk about that price either. Here is the UPC. So if you happen to stumble across one of these, go and ask for a price check. And if it is ringing up $2.29 in your market, what you're going to do is load this digital coupon, and all digital coupons that are manufacturers are of a one-time use as well. Let's not forget that. So load this coupon, and yes, it is attaching to this clearance item. So grabbing one of these for $2.29, subtracting your digital, you're paying $1.29 for a Tide. Use $1 of Walgreens cash and moonwalk to your car, and you've won the couponing Olympics. I mean, it doesn't get any cheaper than that. I think they are usually like $8.99 on a non-sales week over at Walgreens. So to get it for $1.29, that is like a no-brainer. And I would absolutely look for this. And remember, you must pay attention. And if you don't want to pay attention, just grab whatever you're seeing and ask the cashier for price checks of all of the items. Now, alternatively, if you can find 4 of them, it is in fact working with this promotion of buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. And at my store, they were tagged for $4.29, but I got an additional $2 off on that specific one. And I did also check the clearance Downy one, but for whatever reason, it was just that one without the snowflake on it. So if you can find 4 of these by chance, it would be $9.16 at $2.29 a unit. Subtracting the $1 digital, you would pay $8.16. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $3.16 for the 4, or 79 cents per jug of Tide. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but 79 cents, I mean, if you can line this up exactly how I'm describing it, I would totally go and make this happen. And nobody is talking about this because I only found this one by accident yesterday, because this is the deal that I planned on doing. I had a $7 register reward from Neutrogena, so I was just going to do this deal grabbing 4 of them at $4.29, but one of them rang up for a different cost. Anywho, 4 of these at $4.29, and it's the Downy and the one with the snowflake that are ringing up for $4.29. It would be $7.16. Subtracting that dollar digital, you're paying $16.16. I threw in a register reward for a lesser out-of-pocket, that $7 one. Getting back $5 register reward, it's $11.16 for the 4, or $2.79, which is still a really great price point. Again, clearance, your mileage may vary. It's usually Tuesdays or Saturdays. Items get dropped a lot more. So I would ask the cashier for a price check if you are not sure, but I did provide the UPC for that one that's ringing up for $2.29, which is really awesome. I also want to let you guys know that over at Meijer, we covered a lot of the Meijer deals yesterday. This cart was in fact 18. I went and did it. My one account had a 5 off of 50, and on top of the 15 off of 50 for the P&G basket, this one also came off, which was really fantastic. I got my mayonnaise. My rebates, I ended up getting the Hellmann's for $1 each, which isn't bad, and that's with the Fetchtopia. So happy about that. It was just a great, great deal. If you want to sign up for the Fetch Rewards app, check out the link in the description. When you submit your first qualifying receipt, it could be Taco Bell from yesterday. You're given like a $5 bonus. They also have this, which is 6,050 points back when you spend 25. I was short with an $18 basket, so I think I'm going to buy some trash bags also so I can get my $6 back from Fetch, because with that P&G in this, it's fantastic. And the mayonnaise too, completely free. I'm really excited by that. Now, for the Friday and Saturday and probably into Sunday, I'm going to be busy at the Dollar General. Of course, I'll be at Walgreens as well, but there are so many offers that are like a quarter, very, very cheap. You might want to check out this video linked at the very end. Even if you're not a big Dollar General shopper, it's a very easy video to follow. You just load the digital coupons, go to the store, punch in your phone number at checkout. It's that easy. But quarter soft soap, quarter Old Spice, go to Dollar General this weekend and make some of these deals happen. It is the best of all of their clearance events. It's this one. The video is linked right here, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.